Hey ladies and gentlemen, so we're in our office here in Temecula, California, and this is our homeschool unboxing where I'm going to show you what you get when you basically order online for our homeschool program. So of course we're going to give you this beautiful box. You can use this as a kitty litter box or a doggy, never mind, let's go ahead and dive into the curriculum. You open it up like this, and once you open it up, you're going to find our beautiful business card. It's all right, I'm a contractor. And don't forget, you're also going to get our bag, and this has our tagline, our passenger success. Of course, it matches our colors. You like that? See, look, blue, blue, right? Okay. Of course, bubble wrap, and if you have a little dog, don't pop those because they go crazy. You're also gonna, in this is gonna come our videos, so you're gonna get a hard copy of our videos specifically for the trade material. Our videos for the law and business are actually online now. And then you're also going to get the hard copy of the CDs, which are going to go through the trade, the math, same with the video, and the health and safety and stuff like that. And then of course this is what I love here. So you open this up, you're going to get our law manual, and you're going to open that up to the first page, and it's going to have the pathway to success, which is going to go over step by step in detail everything you need to do to complete this material. Of course, there's quizzes in here. There's a follow along with our PowerPoint. Go through that as I'm teaching you and training you through the pre-recorded videos. And then we have our trade material. Our trade material, same thing, you open it up, first page, you got our checklist, and you also have access to begin to read through all this material that you're going to study, consume it, pass our tests, which are also in the back of the book, and pass the tests online. Basically, if you go in here, you could also go in, and there's some stuff way down here, and if you just get, our online test, of course, the Apple does not come with it. And our online tests are going to be online, and you're going to jump into our webpage, www.contractorlicensenow.com, and once you're in there, you're going to get access to take all of our tests. You're going to get access to all of our audio, video, and our simulated state exam. That is our homeschool stuff and our unveiling, unpackaging, whatever you want to call it. I wonder if I could fit all this stuff back in there.